Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use 3-finger screenshot on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. This feature is enabled by default on your smartphone, so in order to take a screenshot with 3 fingers, you just have to swipe down with 3 fingers and the screenshot will be taken. You can also take a long or scrolling screenshot using this method. To do this, we just have to swipe the screen down with 3 fingers and then hold down for the rolling screenshot. Tap scroll and then tap down when you've selected the area that you needed. Now, if you don't have this feature enabled, or if you want to check whether or not you have it enabled, go to Settings, go to Accessibility and Convenience, and select Screenshot right here. And here, make sure that you have both 3-finger swipe down screenshot enabled and 3-finger touch and hold for taking partial or scrolling screenshot enabled too. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.